Manipulating surds at GCSE level. There are 6 steps to learn. First up, how to times surds. So, if you get something like square root of a times the square root of b, what you do is write square root and a times b, and you times these two things together and you get your answer. For example, if we have square root of 2 times the square root of 3, you would get 6, because 2 times 3 equals 6, and yeah, that's your answer. That's how you times surds. Now, how to divide surds. If you have the square root of a divided by the square root of b, then what you do is quite similar to the last one. You do that and then you write your answer beside it. For example, if you have square root of 8 divided by the square root of 2, you would write it like this first to get that mark for showing your strategy for getting the answer. And you would do 8 divided by 2 and you will write 4. Then you would simplify the 4 and write 2. The square root of 4 is 2. If you know the square root of something, write it down. Now here's where it gets a little complicated, but I'm sure you guys can handle it. It's pretty easy. In brackets, if you have a plus square root of b, and you have this, then what you would do is write them out again like this, and instead of writing the 2, you just write it out again, and you would times a by a and a by the square root of b, and you would do the same with this one. You would times it out like this, and there is a particular order to do this in, and it's always best if you follow it. You don't have to, but I think you should. Firstly, you start with this and you times these two, so a times a equals a squared. A times square root of b equals plus a b. And then you would go on to this one, square root of b times a equals plus ab, and square root of b times the square root of b equals b. So hopefully you guys know how to expand this sort of equation. If you don't, check out one of my other videos or any on the internet. I'm sure they'll show you how to. It'll be quite simple. And then what you would do here is simplify this. So you would have a squared plus 2a and the square root of b plus b. And there you go, that's your answer. Hopefully this helped. Now this is the last one. If they say 3 divided by square root of 5, and they say express this in the form a square root of 5 divided by b, where a and b are whole numbers, what you would do is you would write this out again like so, and you would times this by the square root of 5, and you would times this by the square root of 5, and that would give you your answer. So 3 times the square root of 5, you would get this, and because 3 is not like square rooted, you would have to write it outside the bracket, and square root of 5 times the square root of 5 equals 5. And there you go, that's your answer. I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you for watching.